The 2008 Honda Fit. This four-door, five-passenger hatchback provides exceptional value. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and an efficient four-cylinder engine. All of the following features are included: a tachometer, remote keyless entry, and a split-folding rear seat. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 6 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Honda also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, a security system, and ABS brakes. Our sales reps are extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.